Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog and Carnage as one character. So let's get started right now. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to draw a mixture between Sonic and Carnage from Spider-Man, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to pull downward right here for kind of the center of Sonic's eyes. Up over here, down. Curve over here on this side, and then pulling underneath. We have the kind of the furrowing of the brow, so we're going to kind of pull that back. Down over here, up, down. Up over here, down, in. Circle. And fill it out. Kind of like fill out the nose right there, the dark part of the nose. Curve over here, up over here, down, curve. And we're going to leave the eyes blank. That's very Carnage-y, right? So the eyes are going to be blank, totally blank. Curve down over here for the bottom of Sonic's mouth. Go over here for the back of Sonic's mouth. And we're going to give this right here just an open kind of angry mouth there. That's very, very Carnage. Down over here, up. Curve along here and downward. Line over here, down. And we're going to fill it out. There we go. Let's go over here now, pulling up, down, for the spike on Sonic's head over here. Up over here, down, for the ear on the far side. Up over here, downward, and line over here on this side. Out for another spike, down, out over here, down. Now we're going to have his arm over here on this side. We're going to go downward. He's got this like tube of an arm. Curve down for the chest area. They're going to pull down over here from the other side of the chest. Down over here. And line over here for the kind of colored portion of Sonic. So now what I want to do is I want to draw him. He's got to be liquidier than Venom. So I'm probably going to draw a line right here and give him like a blade hand. Like a liquidy blade hand right there. To show that he is more chaotic and more liquidy than like a Venom would be. Let's draw another line right there for the liquid. There we go. And we're gonna like pull that back over here. Like so. Line, line. Line over here, line over here. Over here on this side. Alright. And a lot of this stuff now is going to be little detail right here. Maybe the text, the liquidy texture of certain areas of his, I guess Sonic skin. I don't know. over here, line over here. There we go. Over here, we're going to draw a thicker line. Just go on the outside edges of everything. The reason you want to do that is because a thicker line really contains a lot of the shapes on the inside and makes it look a little bit more complicated. And so we're just tracing a little bit of a thicker line everywhere. Line over here, pulling down over there. There we go. You know, like you can tell, it's kind of changing the look and the style of it already. If you're a big fan of Sonic or Venom, hit the like. Like, definitely helps the channel out. If you like kind of the experimental stuff we do on the channel or this video, absolutely hit the like button. And I will reply to every single comment. So if you comment, I will reply. So check out the cool merch on the website, sketchmonsterart.com. If you want to support the channel, go check that out, or just check it out because there's articles on there that are that will help you draw, you know, better. Right on. There we go. Line, 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 line over here. All right. And we've kind of traced out almost every edge of this. So, I mean, everything from this point is just completely extra. You can throw little lines around here, lines around little dashes. And if you keep those lines smaller and thinner, the cool part is it's not going to like interfere, right, with everything else. So you're kind of keeping those lines, again, more chill, more small, as opposed to these big, thick lines definitely attract attention. They pull in attention to the overall thing. That looks pretty good. I like it a lot. What would you call this character? So, mixture of Sonic and Carnage. Write it in the comments, and I will pin the comment I like the most. I'll pin the name I like the most. So, there's no wrong answers. Just try it right now. Try a bunch of them, and I'll pin the one I like. So, anyways, I want to thank you very much. I want you to stay here for the next drawing lesson, okay? Stay here right now. Let's go into the next drawing lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.